Hi, in this video I would like to test out a new offline HTML wallet which is created or being worked on by Eggpool. This wallet is called Be Safe and it is for the cryptocurrency bismuth. And yeah, it's not production ready, but it's worth a try. And yeah, I like to play a little with it and show you how it works. So you just type in the search for Be Safe, and then you should find that repository. I'll be now clicking on that folder generator. And yeah, well, you can download here. Just a word, you can here clone or download that file, which you will need. And it's a bismuth offline address generator. It's written in JavaScript and it's a proof of concept. So the current state is proof of concept, which means you should not put any coins on the addresses which are generated by this tool at this point of time. So yeah, what I'm trying to do is now I'm going to download, well, I already downloaded this file, the zip file, and I also unzipped it. Here's the I head over to generator and I am opening it with the Chrome browser. Now for entropy, it's like the address generator for Bitcoin. It works well, very similar. You just move your mouse for entropy, and then you click on that generate new keys button, and it will take about a minute to create the private key and also the public key and also the bismuth address right here. Yeah, after that we are going to copy the private key and paste it in here. And like you know, the private key should also have the private key in it, and we are going to check that right now. So what we are doing is we're checking if the public key corresponds to the private key. So we want to check if this bismuth address is correct, okay? So yeah, so let's head over to the terminal and so we should have here somewhere the private key, which is right here. You saw it earlier. I copied it in here. I saved that file, and the private key is here. There's also the public key, but we will see if the public key really is the right key. So what we're doing is we're open SSL private key in private key there, and yeah, and then pop out. Let's see if this is correct. All right, now we have here this public key. It should be the same. It should be exactly the same here. Let's check that. MIIC, and it ends with QAB. QAB. Okay, you see, this key should be, well, that whole thing should be the same to this one here. I'm gonna copy that and paste it into here. Save. Yeah. So, and now from that public key, we're trying to get the hash, which is this bismuth address. It should start with a 06 and it ends with a D8. So we are heading back. We're heading back to the terminal. And yeah, on the Mac, you just type in SHA-SUM. Then the algorithm is 224. And now we're defining the file, which is pub key.there. And then we hit enter. And now you see that this address here, the bismuth address, should be the same like the cold wallet generated for us, which is 06. It is the same. So here, they're all the same. So now we could be sure that the generated address is valid. That was the whole point, trying to get a valid address. But like I said, it's still not production ready, but you can play with it. Thanks for watching.